if you've ever tried to fix a typo and then ended up deleting half your sentence, this video is for you. Editing a text, a social media message, or email doesn't have to be painful. Here's 4 text editing tricks that'll save you time, your sanity, and maybe even your thumbs. Let's get into it. Trying to fix a typo or editing a long message? This typing tip makes it so much easier. All you gotta do is hold down the spacebar and your entire keyboard now turns into a trackpad. Now you can move your cursor around anywhere just by gliding your thumb around. It's way more accurate as opposed to just tapping around hoping you land on the right spot. And bonus tip, if you hold with one finger and then tap with another, you can now start selecting text while still in trackpad mode. A lot easier than trying to drag the selection around manually. Next, tapping shortcuts. These are simple, but most people don't realize how powerful they are, especially when it comes to copying or deleting chunks of text. Tapping once is what allows you to place your cursor. Double tapping a specific word is going to select it, allowing you to easily delete it or replace it with another word. And triple tapping a text area is going to select the entire sentence or paragraph. This is a lot easier than holding down the delete key just to get rid of a paragraph or a sentence you don't need. Now, if you're ferociously typing away and want to quickly add a special symbol, any one of these symbols in the special character keyboard. When you want to add it, just hold down the special characters key, which is the 1, 2, 3 button. Move your finger over to the symbol you want to add, and release it to quickly return back to typing. Speeds things up without having to tap back to the default keyboard. Now, if you're looking for a special character like this, just press and hold a letter or a symbol and you'll see some extra options appear, or even different punctuation styles. This is super useful if you type in another language or want to use typographic symbols like the real M- instead of 2 hyphens. And a bonus tip, iOS 18 introduced multilingual keyboards, so if you switch between languages often, your iPhone will recognize both languages you're using. Pretty cool. Finally, this is a pretty nifty one. You can create custom text shortcuts. Head on over to Settings, go to General, find Keyboard, and then Text Replacement. You might see some already pre-populated text replacements. You can delete or edit any of these, but press the plus sign and you can add in your own. An example could be ADDR being your full address. So rather than having to type out your full address all the time, you can just type in that shortcut and it will expand it. Or add a popular one like BRB for Be Right Back. You can even make your full email signature appear with just a few letters. This is where you can get creative, making your own custom text shortcuts, saving you a lot of time. So that's it, 4 quick iPhone text editing tricks that should make typing way smoother. Which one was your favorite, or which one did you not know before? Let us know. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and send this to someone who may be typing the hard way.